Question first, 3.1. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. Aftab 7 years ago I was 3 times. So here we arrive to situation. Aftab, let the age of Aftab be x years and daughter age be y years. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. So according to question ATQ, 7 years ago means both sides we will minus x minus 7, y minus 7. 7 years ago, how many times Aftab old? 7. So when we equating the equation, we have to multiply 7 on the daughter side. So we balance the equation. Now second situation arises. I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So after 3 years, Aftab x plus 3, daughter y plus 3, 3 साल बाद x plus 3, y plus 3, I shall be 3 times old. कितना बड़ा था ये? 3 times Aftab. So we multiply daughter side 3. So this the algebraically we make two equations according to the question. 7 years ago Aftab is 7 times old, so we multiply daughter side. 3 years from now Aftab is 3 times old, so we multiply daughter side. Now see here, x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. So x minus, turn y this side, x minus 7y and 49 is plus minus 7, it becomes plus 42 is equal to 0. Now second equation, x plus 3, give this first name, x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. 9 turn this side and y turn this side, you will get x minus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now we plot these two equations in the graph. So for first equation we make a table. X and y. If I take in this equation x is equal to 0, so what y becomes, if I take x is equal to 0, तो क्या हो जाएगा, minus 7y is equal to minus 42. 42 को उधर ले जाएंगे तो y कितना हो जाएगा 6. Substitute it again. If we put substitute x 0 and y 6, so minus 42 plus 42 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now take any other point. If I take x is equal to 5, अगर मैं 5 ले रहा हूँ x को, तो what 49 is equal to 7y. 5 plus 42. If I take x is equal to 5, it becomes 47 होगा. तो I will take x is equal to 7. I will take x is equal to 7. तो 7 plus 42 कितना हो गया? 49 is equal to 7y. So 7 7s are 49. Y is also 7. Put these two equations. 49 minus 49 plus 7. So minus 49 plus 49 0. So these 2 points satisfy the equation 1. 0 and 6, 7 and 7 satisfy the point 1. Now I take 2 points, at least we take 2 points to draw the straight line. For second equation, x, y. Now see here, if I take x0 ले लिया तो y कितना हो जाएगा, x0 ले लिया तो -3y इज इक्वल टू 6, तो y इज इक्वल टू -2. If I take y इज इक्वल टू 0 तो x इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, 6. You check. If you substitute it here, right hand side becomes 0. Check. 0 plus 6 minus 6, 0. 6 put करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, x को 6 minus 6, 0 by 0. So now we plot these two equations on the graph. See here, you draw on graph paper. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now first point 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 centimeter, 5, 6. Scale we have to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First point is x0, y6, 0, 6. It is ordered pair. First we take x point. 7, 7. 7 is here and 7 is here. 7, 7. Here it is. 7, 7, 7. Now join these 2 points. This is the equation of the line. X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Now second equation. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to -2. -1, -2. 0, -2 and 6, 0. Join these 2 points. These are the 2 lines. This is x minus 3y minus. This completes the first question. Graphically we have to show. When we extend it, somewhere it will intersect. Now question number 3 of this